Martin Luther, the dark truth revealed. The phrase Martin Luther, the dark truth revealed suggests the uncovering of potentially negative or lesser known aspects of the life and work of Martin Luther, a prominent figure in the Protestant Reformation and the history of Christianity. While Martin Luther is celebrated for his role in challenging the practices of the Roman Catholic Church and sparking the Reformation, there are some aspects of his life and beliefs that have been a subject of debate and scrutiny. Here are a few elements that are sometimes discussed in a critical light. Anti-Semitism. Martin Luther's writings contain strong anti-Semitic views, particularly in his later years. His work on the Jews and their lies is notorious for promoting hostility towards Jewish people. While it's important to consider the historical context, these writings have raised ethical concerns. Intransigence. Luther's steadfastness and refusal to compromise on theological matters contributed to division within the Protestant Reformation, leading to the fragmentation of the Protestant movement into various denominations. Views on peasants. During the German Peasants' War, Luther expressed harsh condemnation of the peasant uprising, urging the authorities to suppress it with extreme violence. Harsh language. Luther was known for his fiery and confrontational rhetoric, often using strong language and personal attacks against his theological opponents, including the Pope and other Catholic leaders. It's important to approach historical figures like Martin Luther with a nuanced perspective. While he played a pivotal role in the Reformation and the translation of the Bible into the vernacular, his life and work were not without complexities and controversies. Historical accounts and analyses vary, and individuals have differing interpretations of his legacy. Recognizing the full spectrum of his beliefs and actions allows for a more comprehensive understanding of his impact on religious history.